Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel all about home decor. Today I have come up with another amazing video that is about open plan kitchen living room. Tired of a closed kitchen that shuts you off from the rest of your home? You may want to consider redesigning your kitchen with a more inviting open kitchen concept. Open concept kitchen living room is perfect for small apartments, but it looks also gorgeous in big space when the kitchen is connected with the dining room and the living room. It gives to the space more elegant and attractive look. Nowadays, open concept kitchen with living room is a popular design as it offers a possibility to reorganize the space practically and create an interesting arrangement. If you want to design your kitchen, here are some designs for your inspiration. Please check out these lovely ideas that are very amazing.